When I eat, something extraordinary happens. Before I even put the spoon in my mouth, I'm salivating. Literally, I'm in a satiating state where I just can't stop, and it's like a trance. And my value system is naturally around whole food. It's just how I grew up. So for me, to pass this on to you is such a joy, to be able to actually step into your kitchen and to show you, how to put these incredible meals together that are high plant-based, that have this vibrational match to who we are. And that's when the joy comes out and the satiation comes out, like I do nearly every single day. I mean, I'm in here constantly creating, and my girlfriends are around me and we're all talking and we're just going, wow, that's amazing. And that to me is true eating, is when you can really step into a place of a fantasy and a delight and a smile on your face when you look at each other, and nutrition goes out the door and being healthy goes out the door and the wellness industry goes out the door. It just becomes a very present space to be in, right there, right now, with that dish, with a big smile on your face. I'm Chef Cynthia Louise, and welcome to the world of plant-based eating.